This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and the App Store region. This ensures your balance is eligible for purchases. Once done, open Settings and check Apple account balance in your payment methods so you know the exact amount available. Make sure authentication is set, Face ID, Touch ID, or password, because the purchase flow pauses for authorization. This immediate preparation prevents declines and saves time when you move into the app to buy a subscription, consumable, or unlockable feature. You tap the in-app item and trigger the App Store purchase sheet. This is where the process actually uses your balance. Once the sheet appears, inspect the price and the listed payment method. Apple selects balance automatically when sufficient, but you can tap payment options to choose it manually. After selecting balance, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Wait for the confirmation animation. Do not close the app during verification. This step completes the transaction handshake between the app and Apple. You should see the purchased content unlocked or a confirmation screen. Verify the app reflects the purchase before leaving. If the balance was slightly short, add funds in the App Store or switch to another payment method and retry the purchase immediately. If the transaction fails unexpectedly, check Apple system status for outages and then retry after a minute. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or contact Apple support. One key tip: do not reattempt rapid multiple purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.